Planet Geography. Today we're doing multiple choice questions. These generally tend to be 1 mark and are often considered to be kind of easier style questions. And I think they are if you stick to the formula of eliminating the ones that you know are wrong. Okay, because this will increase your percentage chance of getting the answer right. Okay, so the key things we need to think about: don't rush reading the question. That's the temptation. You think they're so easy, just rush it. You read it once, you skim read it, and you end up getting the answer wrong because you're not sure what the question's asking. Underline the keywords. This slows you down. It breaks the question down so you understand exactly what it's asking. So these two are very linked. Don't rush it. Slow down by underlining the keywords. Then next, cross out the options you know are wrong. This is what we're going to work on today. Okay, it's all about percentages. If you just guess the answer, you've got a 25% chance. But if you eliminate the answers that you know are wrong, then suddenly you can move that from 25 to 50%, even if you still don't know the answer officially. So, as always with these masterclass lessons, we'll start with an I do, we do, and then you do. So let's get stuck into it. I'll try and do this as quickly as I can. So this was the very first question on the Geography A at Excel paper last year. So the first question people looked at was this question. So the UK's landscape is made up of different rocks. Identify which one of the following is an igneous rock. So right now what I'll be thinking is identify igneous rock. Okay, so we're going to do the process of elimination here. Again, I'm not going to talk to you too much about what the rock types are, more about the exam technique. So what I would do is, okay, well, which ones do I know? Well, I know sandstone, tiny bits of sediment being squished together to form sandstone. That is a sedimentary rock. I also know that chalk is made up of kind of tiny shells and bones from animals that died, sea animals that died millions of years ago. So again, that is sedimentary rock. So these two I'm crossing out. Okay? And then there's a bit more confusion between these two, but I know I've seen slate. My teacher's got slate out in lessons, and I've seen the layers. I know that's a metamorphic rock. It's changed. So I go through, I cross out the answers that I know are wrong, and that leaves me with the correct answer that basalt is the igneous rock. Okay, so that's the process of elimination. We are now going to do it. Okay, so I'm going to have a question. What I want you to do is to go through the list, and I want you to tell me which do you know to be wrong, incorrect answers. Okay, this question is about life expectancy. Identify 2 reasons why life expectancy has increased. So again, if I quickly read this, I might not see that it's about increasing, going up in some countries over the last 30 years. So life expectancy increase countries. So what I want you to do is go through, read the list, and cross out the ones that you know are wrong, and then I will talk you through what I was thinking whilst I did this exact same experiment. So pause the video and have a go doing it now. Okay, I will proceed. So if I go through here, advances made in treatments of diseases. Well, diseases and treatments, that's going to prolong life expectancy. So I feel like that's going to be a correct answer straight away. Few safety measures taken in the workplace. Well, safety, if you spend less time with safety, again, that's not going to increase life expectancy, is it? So no, that's going to be wrong for me. So I'm going to cross that one out. Increase access to safe drinking water. So that sounds correct to me. I'm going to check these last 2 aren't correct. Decrease in food security. Well, that's obviously wrong. If there's less food, life expectancy goes down. High rate of unemployment. So people that don't have jobs, they can't afford high quality food, they can't afford vaccines, and so on and so forth. So again, that sounds wrong to me. So if I go back through, I'm going to cross this out, cross this out, cross this out, and then it leaves me with the correct 2 answers. Okay, I hope you guys got that right, and I hope your method, again the process of elimination, is similar to mine. All right, what we're going to do now is we're going to do 2 you do. So what I will do is I'll put the question up, pause it, answer the question, and then I'll very quickly flash the answer up afterwards, and we'll do that twice. So here's your question, pause the video, process of elimination, and here's your answers. Yeah, we know that there's no subduction, there's no hotspot, there's no plume, So again, these all do have volcanoes and this doesn't. Okay, next one, pause the video, have a look at the question. Again, process of elimination, it's a nice easy one. Okay, there's your answer. Again, crossing out the ones that you know are wrong. Rural to urban migration, that's its own thing, it's not suburbanization. From one city to another, that's inter or internal migration. And then the movement of people towards inner city areas that's the opposite of suburbanization. Okay, process of elimination leaves you here. So back to our final thoughts. Yes, multiple choice questions, you should be absolutely banking them. You should be doing them quickly and saving that time for your longer answers. But remember, don't overly rush it. Underline the keywords and cross out the options that you know are wrong. Okay, guys, check out my other masterclass videos on describe questions, explain questions, and assess questions. And like and subscribe for future videos. And good luck in your GCSEs.